Here's a 1956 Chevrolet two-door sedan. Beautiful car. Still has the stock drivetrain in it. Inline 6 underneath the hood. Manual transmission, 3 on the column. This car has approximately 6,000 to 7,000 miles on it since it was fully restored. And it shows. The paint on this car, very, very nice shape. Bright work, chrome, everything. Interior, can't say enough about how nice this car is. Take a look at the interior. Bench seat obviously up front. Everything era correct from fabric. Paint, colors, very, very nice. And it's straight too. Let's come back here and take a look down the side. You can see how straight that car is. Been selling quite a few of these Tri-5s. They seem like they've had a little resurgence in sales and popularity, especially the nice ones like this and the stock ones. We'll go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run also. But once again, look down this side too. Just beautiful, straight car. Go ahead and fire it up. See how easily it starts, how smooth it runs. Nice the dash looks. Check out the headliner. How nice the door closes. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay interior, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you'd like to give us a call, got any questions, or like to inquire about this car, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. 1956 Chevrolet two-door sedan running the stock drivetrain. Beautiful car.